We are overlooking the central island of Venice right now, from its neighbouring island, Giudecca. In today's video we will be island hopping around the Venetian Lagoon, making stops at Murano, Burano and a brief stop at Mazzorbo. Both Murano and Burano hold great historical significance, with Murano being a famous centre for glass production and Burano being famous for its rich history in lace making. Mazzorbo offers a peaceful escape with beautiful vineyards. Using our 3-day ACTV Transport Venice Unica Pass, we'll be travelling around via Vaporetto, Venice's water bus. Heading to Murano first, which is an approximately 50-minute boat ride away from here. Here we're passing the Arsenale fairground of the Biennale. We are approaching Murano. The history of Murano's glassmaking dates back to the 13th century, when glassmakers were relocated from Venice to this island to prevent the risk of fires caused by their furnaces. Upon arrival, you will come across a multitude of glass shops, offering a wide range of products, from glass jewellery, vases, to glass animals and sculptures. You will have the opportunity to visit some of the numerous glass workshops on the island and watch live glass blowing demonstrations, such as the one at the Mazzorbo glass factory. Attached to these factories, you will find showrooms and shops where you can admire the craftsmanship in various forms. As we continue walking along the canal, we get to Fondamenta dei Vitrai, translated into Foundation of the Glassmakers. At this location you'll find further opportunities to observe live glass blowing demonstrations. If you prefer not to join a full tour, there are several peepholes available, providing you with a glimpse into the process. Besides its rich glassmaking heritage, Murano provides a relaxed atmosphere with historical buildings, idyllic churches, charming restaurants and picturesque canals. We're heading to our next destination, Murano, which is just a 30-minute Vaporetto ride away. Murano is well known for its intricate lacework, which dates back to the 16th century, crafted by local women whose creations can be found in various shops. Another noteworthy feature of Burano is its colourful houses, which have become particularly popular among artists. The island used to be a fishing community, and it is believed that the houses were painted in different colours to help fishermen spot them more easily from a distance. This tradition has persisted over the years. Interestingly, homeowners are required to seek permission before painting their houses in a specific colour, ensuring the preservation of the island's distinct appearance. It is a very pretty island with a laid-back atmosphere, perfect for exploring the lovely colour palettes and patterns. As you wander around, you'll find plenty of little shops, picturesque squares with charming restaurants, and there is also a lace museum. We'll slowly head back with a short stop at Murano's neighbouring island, Mazzorbo, which is accessible by walking over the footbridge connecting the two. It offers a serene escape from the more touristy places. One notable stop to make is a visit to one of its vineyards that produces local wines, the Venetian Winery and Restaurant. Here you can taste the local wines and cuisine in a peaceful setting. Venisa is made from a rare and ancient variety of grapes called Dorona, cultivated exclusively on Mazzorbo. We're heading back to Venice, this time via the quicker route that will drop us off north of the city. This journey will take us about 40 to 45 minutes. On the way, we'll pass by San Michele, the cemetery island. I hope you enjoyed this day trip. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You might also enjoy the video on Venice, so check out that one next, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.